Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be sharing with you how to prepare oven jerk chicken. I have already cut my chicken into smaller pieces. Now I am washing the chicken, guys, with some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon or limes instead to clean your chicken. Now after I'm through washing the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be seasoning the chicken with some powdered seasoning. Now guys, I'm using some Maggi chicken seasoning, and you just use to the amount that you think will season your meat. I'm gonna go ahead now with some all-purpose seasoning. Some jerk seasoning, of course. Now I'm gonna go in with my jerk paste seasoning. This is one of the main ingredients, and I'm using the mild one. It comes in spicy and mild, but because I'm cooking for my son as well, guys, I'm not gonna be using too much. Guys, the jerk paste has in hot pepper, pimento, scallion, onions, thyme, ginger, and other ingredients. But I'm still gonna go ahead and add my freshly chopped ground seasoning, such as my garlic, my onions, my pepper, my scallion. Yes, just to get that extra flavor into my chicken. So you can just use the amount that you think is needed to season your chicken or use to your liking. Now I am mixing in all of that powdered seasoning, ground seasoning, and that paste to get everything into the chicken. So guys, you can go ahead and you can use your hands if you wish. So I just want to get all of that seasoning onto the chicken as best as possible. Adding in now some browning for that nice dark color. So guys, after I have made sure that all my seasonings are rubbed into the chicken, I'm gonna leave this now to marinate overnight so that everything is soaked in. But guys, if you can't leave yours overnight, you can marinate it for about 2 to 3 hours before jerking. I have preheated the oven, and I have also greased the pan. So I am placing the chicken now into the pan. So I'm going to leave this now to cook for about 45 minutes or so. But after 25 minutes, I will be checking on it and I will be showing you what I will be doing. Now, after 25 minutes or so of cooking, I am checking the chicken and I will also be basting the chicken using the juice that was left from the seasoning. I have gone ahead and added some ketchup and a little bit of brown sugar to that juice, and I am now basting the chicken with that juice. I'm gonna leave this now for another 15 minutes or so. So after the 15 minutes more has been completed, I'm gonna turn the chicken on the other side and I'm gonna be basting the chicken, guys. You want to turn the chicken, guys, so that both sides are evenly cooked. Now I'm gonna be leaving the chicken to cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes or so. Wow, looks delicious and ready to be served. Guys, as you can see, I did not use a lot of sauce because traditionally when we are doing jerk chicken, it's just the chicken. But you can still make your jerk sauce to go with it on the side. I have served my chicken here, guys, with some avocado and cucumber. So there you have it, oven jerk chicken. I'm gonna dig right into this now, guys. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.